By the way, I already got your gift.
Yeah, so,
his
yeah,
next size is-
shocker. Yeah, okay, it's probably toilet paper from the men's restroom over there. Thank you very
What'd I
much.
do
Wayne.
there
You
to
gave that
you?
to me one
It's
year,
a
by the
gift.
way.
It didn't even make it to
It's
the
a gift,
restroom.
yeah.
I took it off the card.
The card. No way. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. All right, well, guys, friend of the show, Ken Hatfield. We're here at Hatfield's Kid Grub right here in West Park on Lorraine. Ken, congratulations. Now, we're in the second portion. I mean, another portion of your restaurant is over on this other wall. So
Yes.
this is very cool.
That was the original portion. This was the expansion. Not a lot of people know that we have a bar now.
Yeah.
Really nice bar. I specialize in some really good bourbons.
Okay.
You're a bourbon guy, right?
No, but,
No.
you know,
Oh,
that's
okay.
a whole other
Well, we have to
story.
switch that then. You come on in and we'll make you one.
All right. So you have a nice little setup here. Ken, tell us what's happening.
Well, after you've had all those good foods that we showed you earlier, you want to finish off with something sweet. So right here I've got some banana pudding.
And that's amazing banana pudding.
It's homemade, you know, just like Grandma used to make.
Now,
with
is
the-
this one of your, because you use a lot of your grandmother's recipes.
That right there is my great-grandmother. They called her Big Mama. I had 5 generations living on one block. So
Wow.
they called her Big Mama for a good reason.
And tell everybody, if people who aren't familiar with that pudding, they
Banana
see,
pudding is it's like a vanilla pudding with fresh bananas chopped up in it, and lots of love put in there, and then vanilla wafers.
Yep.
And then as the first day you get it, the vanilla wafers are crunchy.
Right.
Then they just soak up flavor, and it's
Oh,
just
that flavor,
it
yeah.
gets better as it goes along. Next thing I got is some bread pudding.
Okay.
Bread pudding, we make biscuits and gravy that you saw earlier.
Yes, indeed.
So all the leftover biscuits I have at the end of the day, I turn into bread pudding. So we'll put a little bit of caramel sauce on that.
Oh, look at that.
And that also gets finished off with, this is Christy's favorite,
Yep.
whipped cream. There you
Oh, very nice.
go. And then next, you already talked about it
Yeah, and the
earlier.
Anchors have been talking about these too.
All right, chocolate chip cookies, and then the little fatter one there is a bacon walnut chocolate chip cookie. You guys have had them both.
Yeah, it's like a manhole cover.
Yeah, they're
Those
so
things
good.
are so big.
It's about 6 ounces of cookie dough when we put it in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a good sized cookie, and it's crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, which is what you want.
You just pulled this out like about 7 minutes ago.
Just pulled this out of the oven. That is a cherry cobbler,
Mm.
and that is also one of Big Mama's recipes. And I've been making that since I was about knee high to a grasshopper, is what
Wow.
they say down south.
And yes, so a lot of these are Southern foods, which is why we get along so well. And you are an original Hatfield from you come from the original Hatfields with the Hatfield and McCoy feud, correct?
Absolutely. The Hatfield and McCoy feud is actually the longest standing family feud in American history. And so I'm part of American history. It's really funny. I've got a lot of cousins I didn't know I had when I came to Cleveland.
Yeah.
Because the Hatfield family, you know, back in those days, they didn't hire people.
Right.
They just bred their help, right? So big families, big families.
All right,
My-
so when are you guys open? We're right here in West Park. When are you guys open, Ken, real quick, because we're tossing back to those guys.
Okay, we're open. Actually, we're closed tomorrow for Election Day.
Okay. And you're closed today,
And
too.
we're closed on Mondays. We're open usually Tuesday through Friday from 4 to 10 or 11, depending.
Yeah.
Saturdays and Sundays we do breakfast, 9 to 12 breakfast on Saturday.
Okay.
And we're open till 10 or 11
All right.
at night. And then Sunday we do 9 to 3, and then we stay as long as the Browns are on TV. So
Wrapping up
if the
here.
game's not over,
Okay. Hatfield's Good Grub.
That cherry
Kicking
cobbler, oh
with
my
Kenny and
gosh.
Ken. Yeah, right? It's awesome.
It's called Uber
All right,
Eats.
back to you guys in the studio.
Uber Eats.
Send it back.
Just throw in an Uber. Any Uber, really.